Why is this water leaking out of the tub? Oh, sip. Oh, sip, 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 sip. Oh, sip, sip. Kitty is in the tub playing with the water. And he takes another sip. Oh, he's trying to stop the water.
Do all that.
This is the cat's owner. Right here.
Why you gotta be so good?
This is going on YouTube, just so you know.
I don't care.
Oh, look at Kitty. Trying to figure out why the water. Oh, that's it. Please stop dripping. Oh, 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 oh. He's drinking the water out. This cat is crazy. Oh my god. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh my god, look at Kitty drinking the water. Look at Kitty drinking the water. Kitty's drinking the water.
He's sitting there, his paws on the web.
This is hilarious. Oh, I just want to know why the water keeps on dripping. I'm gonna keep on sipping. Oh, drip, 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 drip. Oh, sip, sip, sip. Oh, ooh. This cat is crazy. Oh man. What kind of cat is this? What kind of cat is Kitty?
Maine Coon.
Oh.
Then he like get up there and play with the water.
Guess he's done playing in the water now. Kitty. Okay, that's all folks. Garfield looking cat.